The latest company to reveal their 2025 range editions is Italeri. Let's have a look at what's on offer. The big new kit in aircraft is the Macchi C200 Saetta, or Lightning, the classic World War II fighter in 1/32 scale. This kit comes with photo-etched parts. In 1/48 scale, there will be a new toolkit of the Macchi 202 Folgore and a new mould of the F-35A Lightning II, which comes with weapons for a full beast mode. This kit comes with markings for US, Italian, Dutch, Norwegian and Australian aircraft. Coming back into the range at 1/48 scale with new decal schemes are the Fiat CR42 Falco night fighter, the Fiat G91 Gina, which will have a choice of Italian, German and Portuguese markings, and the two-seat Saab Gripen in Swedish, Czech and Hungarian Air Force colours. There are no new mould releases in 1/72 scale announced so far, but a range of reissues with new decals, including the Junkers Ju-88A17 torpedo bomber, the Junkers Ju-188A1, the Dornier Do-217K2 with Fritz X glide bombs, the Grumman F6F Hellcat, the Fiat CR42 Falco night fighter and the Douglas A26 Invader. From more recent times come the Mirage 2000D, the Douglas OA4M Skyhawk, the Saab Gripen two-seater and the Boeing KC-135R refuelling aircraft, again all with new decals. In armoured vehicles at 1/35 scale, there is a new mould kit of the Semoventi M43 Bassotto with a 105mm 25 caliber gun. This comes with photo-etched parts and Lincoln length tracks. There's also a new parts reissue of the Semoventi M42 with the 75mm 34 caliber gun. This has a choice of either Lincoln length or global neoprene tracks. There are also new decal releases of the Berger Tiger utility vehicle, the M4A3 Sherman, the M47 Patton and the M24 Chaffee, all in 1/35 scale. In 1/24 scale vehicles, there is a new kit of the exquisite Lancia Fulvia HF rally car, a great icon of the late 60s and early 70s, and the Stralis S-Way, the new Class 8 heavy truck from Iveco. Also in 1/24 are two new complete sets, the Willys Jeep and the Porsche 911 Turbo. These kits feature glue, acrylic paints, paintbrush, tweezers, sanding stick and a sprue cutter. Finally, there's a reissue of the Motoscafo Armata Siluranti Type 2A, a World War II torpedo boat in 1/35 scale that features new parts including photo etch. That's it. Hope you found it useful. If you did, then please remember, give it the imperial thumbs up, hit the notification bell and subscribe to the channel. It's free and a great way to show your support. Thanks very much for watching and goodbye.